you're just like my cup of coffee here.
Yes, you are.
You're totally hot.
And you're full of sugar.
And you got a nice mug.
Yeah, oh, you got a beautiful mug.
And your skin is creamy smooth and supple.
Oh, just like the cream in my coffee.
Exactly.
Oh, nice.
This is DiC speaking to you. Stop making Hoops and Stomach Growl in the video. I interrupted this video.